Good evening, viewers. Welcome back to the Francis. So tonight we're going to do some corn, roast corn. But guess what? I'm not the person who is good at that. My husband is going to do it tonight. Yes, it's strange you're seeing him in the kitchen, but he's going to do some roast corn for me. I feel like I would eat a corn, but he's not going to roast it outside or on the grill or anything like that. He's going to roast it in the microwave. So stay tuned and you will see how exactly it is done in the microwave.
Welcome back, guys. This is how the corn done. You cut off here and you cut here. You get a piece of napkin, wrap it in the napkin. Do it like this. Wrap it in the napkin and we give it like 7 or 6 minutes in the microwave. Here
So
we
a
go.
napkin do?
That it not burn. Soft.
How much minute to say again?
6 or 7. And we don't take it out the trash. You just wrap it same way in the napkin. Nice. 7 minutes. Wait for it.
So Mr. Francis put the corn in the microwave and he's going to give it 7 minutes. So when he take it out, we're going to see how it looks because he roasts it in the microwave. A lot of people don't know that it can roast in the microwave, but that's how I do it. It have to be sweet corn and you have to leave the skin on it. That's what they call it, skin?
Trash.
You have to leave the trash on it. Yes. So we're just waiting on the microwave to stop and then we'll show you the rest. But as I said, first you take the corn, just cut off the 2 ends, the top and the bottom, and then you wrap it up in the hand paper, then you put it in the microwave for 7 minutes, and then when it is done, we take it out. Just stay with us while we do the rest. Alright, so I'm going to take out the corn out the microwave now, then we're going to see how it look. Come, Mr. Francis, take it out the microwave now. Yep. Let's see how it looks.
Whoa! It's
burn it?
hot. It's hot. It's so hot. Are we gonna strip it from the trash? The trash come off easy.
Yes, I'm attack like Indian tea. Him say I'm going to strip it from the trash.
My glasses, I can't see.
You're going. When you go for your glasses? You can't see. Go for your glasses, man. People, you say I'm going like Indian tea. Him no want wearing glasses so anybody see him. Like him no howl. Yes. Let me come closer. Look at that, people. Look how pretty. Yeah. Sweet corn. You don't have to roast it on the stove. Or you don't have to boil it. Because, you know, it does take up time. But anytime you want something quick, yeah, man. Whenever you want a quick corn, that's how you do it. Yeah? Look at that. Mr. Francis is an expert when me feel like for one corn. Me just said, babe, we can get a corn, please. Yes. So I'm just take off the hair off of it. Look how pretty, people. Look how pretty.
And then we use some butter. You butter it. You know that butter?
Some country crack. I said,
Yeah.
say? Country crack, yeah. I'll put some butter upon it and it just go melting it, you know, man. Jesus. It just melting.
Ew.
And the secret, people, this is what I eat it with. The original Shucks roasted corn spice. Yes, this is what I eat it with. My daughter-in-law got it for me. Because you know I like to go to fair, but I don't go to fair because I want to ride or go to any one of those like Dorney Park and all those places. I go because they have roast corn. So anywhere they have roast corn, I always go. So she know I like it, so she bought this for me. And when
There
I
you
ask
are.
a roast corn, I just sprinkle it on it. And we get the fair vibes. Jesus. Ooh. Sweet. 7 minutes. Hot.
Yeah.
Ooh. But people, quick and fast.
One bite.
Quick and fast. Well, I waste of time and I wait. And I slave over no stove. I put nothing in no pot. Sometimes we carry corn at work for lunch. We do it just like this. Quick and fast and convenient. Oh my God. You alright? Corn for days.
Many, many more days.
Boy. We're not gonna lie. Nice. So people, this was a quick one. Roasted corn in the microwave. Or should we say microwave corn? But same result. Quick and fast. So people, if you want more of these easy way of cooking different food, hit us in the comment section. And we'll do it for you. If you can't do it as I said before, I'll find a way to get the information for you. And I'll do it for you. So, thank you, Mr. Francis.
You're welcome.
You can. Him don't normally come on camera. I don't see him shy and I don't want to put on his glasses. Shy. But guess what? He make the corn for me and him come on camera. So, I appreciate it. But anyway, that's it for now. Roasted corn in the microwave. Please, I'm asking to like, share and comment. Press the notification bell to know when I upload a video. And stay tuned for the next video. We're going to do oxtail. Yeah? Oxtail. So you will see the way how I cook my Jamaican oxtail. That is in the next video. So please, press your notification bell. And we are out for now. Thank you for watching. Them